Auditions were very stressful before, until I took this intensive. I feel it was harder for me to find and essentially be a character, but when I was in the audition intensive, I felt myself grow. I felt my characters switch. It just seemed like it opened up so many other ideas for me. After being in the intensive, it made me think, what situation was the character in before this scene started? Now I know why they're in this scene, and I want to portray why they're like this. It makes me feel like I'm going there to help the casting directors. I'm confident enough to know my character and be my character, knowing that, you know, I've got it. I booked something, I kid you not, 2 days after the intensive ended, I got a call. Oh, we loved you, come back. It's like a sense of comfort knowing that I have this technique down. It's gonna work, it's gonna help me. It just makes me feel relieved. Do not hesitate, just do it. It's only 2 weeks. It sounds like it's a lot, but it's so worth it in the end. After you get those methods and you realize that, you know, that's all it takes, go to an audition. You'll surprise yourself. You will. I surprised myself.